Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Lisa Post. She's running for councillor in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for joining me, Lisa.
Thanks.
So today we want to talk about infrastructure. So when it comes to infrastructure, a lot of people talk about, the GO station and rail. And what would you focus on if you were elected, and why? And how would you pay for it?
So I think the most important thing that we need to focus on as a community is our roads. We have beautiful roads here that just need to be maintained. There is definitely some opportunity to build on the infrastructure roads plan, and that requires money. So again, I think this comes back to leaner spending in other areas to try and really facilitate that change and that maintenance. I think it's really important that we take care of the infrastructure that we have before we start working on growing that. Also, I know people have been interested in having the GO system be a little bit more in Orangeville, and I think that's something that we can definitely look into. But again, it requires the collaboration with the provincial government and with other areas of government to be able to make that happen. So I think that there needs to definitely be some investigation that happens with it, because I think it's something that long-term would be a great idea. We do have a lot of commuters in this town, and I think it's an important thing to look at.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for coming in. And if you'd like to see some more videos and answers from Lisa Post, please do check out the links below. And I hope you continue to watch. Thanks for watching.